Welcome. In today's video, we're going to address a common issue: WhatsApp photos not showing up in your gallery. If you're having trouble viewing those images, don't worry, this updated guide will walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's jump right in. First, start by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look at the top right corner for the three dots. Tap on those to open a menu with various options. Next, select Settings from this menu. This section is crucial for managing your account and app preferences. After entering Settings, look for Storage and Data and tap on it. This is where you can control how media is downloaded and stored on your device. Now, we need to check the Media Auto Download settings. Under Media Auto Download, you'll see different options for when using mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming. Let's focus on the first option. Tap on When Using Mobile Data. Here, you'll find a list of media types that WhatsApp can automatically download. Make sure to check the box next to Photos. This setting allows WhatsApp to automatically save photos to your device when you're using mobile data. If you want to ensure this also applies when connected to Wi-Fi, you can go back and repeat the process for the When Connected on Wi-Fi option. This way you won't miss any photos, whether you're on mobile data or Wi-Fi. After you've adjusted these settings, exit WhatsApp and check your gallery. You should now see the photos you've received on WhatsApp. If they still don't appear, consider restarting your device to refresh the gallery app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using WhatsApp and troubleshooting common issues. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing and viewing your photos.